Hello, I'm Rowan Elsmore, Technology Specialist with Instruction and Achievement. Today I'm excited to introduce an important new resource that will help bring clarity and consistency to how we approach AI in our classrooms, our AI Classroom poster. This poster was developed by our AI Guidance Committee and serves as a practical framework that helps us live our commitment to student-centered and decision-making and lifelong learning. It ensures both you and your students understand exactly when and how AI can be used appropriately, with integrity, at every level of their learning journey. This is our poster. As AI becomes increasingly present in education, we need clear guidelines that protect academic integrity while embracing innovation. This poster provides a 5-level framework that moves from no AI assistance to using AI as a co-creator. The key principle throughout all of this is students are responsible for ensuring all work reflects their own thinking, learning, and creativity. Let me walk you through each level with some practical examples. Level 1 is pretty straightforward. There are no AI tools to be used at any point. Students rely solely on their knowledge and skills. Some examples here are in-class essay exams, math problem sets showing their work, science labs observations, or personal reflection journals. At level 2, students can use AI to generate the initial ideas, but the final content must be generated entirely by the student. Examples would include using AI to brainstorm essay topics, getting AI suggestions for science project ideas that they then expand on, or asking AI for different perspectives on a historical event before running their own analysis. Remember that AI assistants must be cited, and there's a clear line. Here, AI is able to help with ideas only, not with the actual content creation. Level 3 allows students to help with initial drafts, but students must significantly revise the work. So examples here would be AI creating a rough outline, having AI draft the basic paragraph that the students then rewrite, getting AI to suggest transitions between ideas that the students can then refine. Moving to level 4, AI-generated content can be included, but students must critically evaluate and edit all of these contributions. Examples here would be things like creating a presentation where AI generates slides that students fact-check and customize, developing a coding project where AI helps write functions that students debug and modify, or writing a research paper where AI helps synthesize the sources that the students then verify and decide and add some context to. Level 5 represents extensive AI collaboration, where students are providing rationale for their AI use and ensuring original thought throughout. This is things like creating an interactive story where AI generates plot branches based on student parameters, developing a business plan where AI runs simulations that students interpret and apply, or designing an art project where AI is generating variations that students then get to curate and justify or maybe analyze. Here's how to implement this in your classroom. Be explicit. Specify which level applies to each assignment. Post this prominently. Make the poster visible so students can reference it. Start conversations. Use this as a springboard to discuss AI ethics and academic integrity. When you engage students in thinking about their own AI use, you're going to generate the thinking about the learning that's really going to help drive them to make good decisions around this. And if you haven't specified a level, students should be asking before using any AI tools. This poster creates common language across our district, directly supporting our strategic priorities of achievement through aligned instructional practices, equity by ensuring all students understand their expectations, and resources by providing the technology guidance needed for dynamic learning environments in a rapidly changing world. Together, we're living our core values of integrity, collaboration, and lifelong learning, preparing our students not just to use AI, but to use it thoughtfully and ethically in our classrooms and beyond. Thank you so much for your commitment to our students.